Hey guys, welcome back to Super Mario 3D World. In the last episode, we finished World Mushroom, and especially we're out of this broken level, first that level, and we're in the biggest world, or probably World Flower, which we're 2 worlds away of completing the game. So let's go to Switch. Circus.
That's pretty loud.
Stop it.
Click.
Stop clicking it.
But go click.
Okay, guys, remember. Oh wow, that's pretty easy. Go.
Pretty easy, eh? Pretty easy.
Oh, that's me. I'm dead. No. You're not the best. How dare you?
Yay, pick a flea!
No. Oh,
Katsu,
yeah.
Katsu, Katsu!
What the? It's the
guys.
amazing money.
Infinite money! Infinite money!
Guys, boy. Rent the coin. Rent the coin. Yeah.
I got a 1-up. That's powerful.
Okay, guys. Remember the most.
Thank you.
Okay. How dare you?
It's the gamepad.
Oh wow. Oh wow, that worked.
Okay.
I'm just gonna buy.
So that was pretty easy.
And now
And we never did it before.
Hey.
Okay. Hey guys, the green store is far over there, so we're gonna need a baseball.
Not good for How far? What do you mean we need a baseball?
Oh wow.
I got it. No wait, I got it.
Over
here,
here,
I'm a pro.
Code
I'm a pro at this.
Bro,
I've been
more
trying
like
to get
noob.
this one. No, I got
Code
this. I
over
got this.
here.
Trust me.
Code over
Trust
here.
me.
Code! Get
Where
over
are you?
here! Over here, where I'm jumping.
Oh, hey. There you go.
Tomo. Why did you kill me?
Just throw it.
Oh yes.
I'll take care
Now
of
if
it.
you now if you messed up, it's your fault.
Don't worry, got it, guys. I got it.
Wow,
I gotta commit yet.
wow, they made it much harder. Hey, get those.
Oh.
Come on, guys.
We've been.
I can make it. I can't make it. Yes.
You missed.
Little Luigi. Little Paisano.
No Pete.
Little.
Little Pete.
And it is.
Yes, 4.
Yay!
Steal your height. So it's not anything up top, so it's a hat.
Guys, is that a unique?
Oh no, not that again. Remember the fuzzy timeline?
Yeah.
You had to run for the
Oh,
fuzzy.
get it.
Fun.
Fine, Toad. Except you.
Toad, I'm willing to make a sacrifice. Fuzzy timeline.
What?
Let's sacrifice the week. Oh, okay.
No.
You don't even need
Yeah.
to. You don't even need to.
Thank you.
Oh, special. Oh no, I want those. Oh. Come on. Why? Wait, hold on.
I got the first green star, boys.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Check the green star icon. You suck!
No, let me down there.
Someone kill Pete.
I'm gonna go full on passive.
We're gonna
I'm gonna screen up the minute.
No. Why are you trying to kill me? Why were you trying to kill me?
Everybody.
Because you grounded me to the spine.
Yes!
Yes, you did.
Oh, okay. Here. I got don't worry, got it.
How dare you? You pawed me.
Well, you're gonna about to get eaten alive. So.
Wah!
I'm close. Just easy.
Okay.
I could die.
You're
Easy.
dead.
I will wait alive.
You're dead.
You're a waste of life. I'm even more a waste of life. I find that insulting that you think you're a waste of life.
Well, I actually died legitimately. For your.
Okay, here's the last one. Okay, Luigi, go up there.
Get
Oh
it,
my
Evan. Get it. Get the.
Get
I was
Guys,
consumed
kill
by
me.
the
Ethan.
I got it. Ethan, why'd you say I need to get Ethan?
Hey, your boy wants to.
Are you serious? Why would you?
Is there anything behind those?
No, Evan, you don't deserve one. I won my cat.
Nah, forget about them.
I've become one with the fuzzies.
It's sacrifice. Sacrifice.
Spear.
No.
Come on, guys.
Go
Luigi, Luigi,
I
what?
tried to spin to my character just left.
Don't just spin jump. Just get to the flag. That's all that matters.
We
Well,
have to
Prince
escape the
Peach
fuzzies.
stole my cat suit. You're not wrong.
Wow, you guys are very iffy.
We're
regarding
very
the crown.
aggressive today.
Yeah,
Prince Peach stole my cat.
yeah. I was very iffy.
Toad feeling less like committing.
Is that a
suicide.
pat in the back or an aggressive pat in the back?
Aggressive kind at the back.
No.
Commit Toad mode to you if you do not. If you do not commit big. I don't even. I was just gonna throw you or something.
Are we gonna do Toad mode or?
Oh, hey guys, all
Oh,
3
no.
stars require a fire flower, okay?
Oh,
So-
man. Oh, this is even worse.
Okay, so everyone get a fire flower, like, grab it out.
Let me
I wanna
get
use
my
some-
Because all the stars require a fire flower. We need to light all the torches.
I'll just match I
Uh,
said I was gonna match B.
yeah, yeah.
Not even B, you use X
And
to
this is
pick
not the
up.
kind of place.
No, you don't.
Don't try to
Oh, wait,
kill
wait,
me!
wait.
Oh my goodness! Now, no. Oh wow. Wow, this level sucks because I can't even see anything.
Go. Don't worry, I'll spam.
You stole my mushroom.
Hey, being in the dark.
Ooh,
Hey,
there's a
I
cat
needed that
suit.
mushroom.
I
Okay,
want a
fine,
cat
whatever.
suit. Now then.
Okay,
We have to
so
protect the fire flower.
Wait, hold up. Wait for him to go back. Smash! Hey! Okay.
here I'm gonna.
You have to protect.
Darn it!
I'll help you. You get that. Go to the light. Go to the light.
I don't want to go to the light either.
Get the-
Go
I want to be in
Why?
the decently illuminated room.
Like this.
Okay,
here.
then come with me if you don't want to die.
Okay, good.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Come
Yay.
with me. I got it. Let's go.
No, I got it.
Burn the bushes. Wait, is there anything over there? Hey guys,
Yeah, we could go up there. I mean, come on.
probably clouds.
No, it's a house.
Oh wow, but we could have brought them. Don't try to kill me.
When I have to press
Why are
the
you
fire
grabbing
button.
me? Toad isn't doing anything wrong today.
Why is Toad actually being good?
Toad
I
is
don't
tired.
know. What?
For you.
Of course.
All right. Okay.
And Evan, you nearly killed
Okay,
me.
that's not a. Okay, that is
Please don't
not a
make
secret
guy.
log. Oh my goodness.
They're all
Jump
geniuses.
on
Jump on the block.
We are all professional.
Oh, don't do what you see, okay? Don't jump the ramp.
Oh wow.
Toad wants to find out what.
We are totally wasting of our life. So don't kill me, okay?
What do you mean we're wasting?
I'm
Okay.
gonna try my best not to.
What if I stand fire? Does this help? No. Guys,
Hey, look!
Guys,
guys, I heard if you.
Cord.
Oh,
there's
something right there. Mario.
Literally a cord right here.
I thought I heard if you jump in fire, you can fire.
You lied to me.
hey, why? What the
I
heck?
pressed B! I'm pressing B and nobody can stop me.
Yeah, but for crying out loud, you killed me.
I'm falling in the lava.
I didn't kill you, you jumped
Yes.
in my way.
No, you did. No, you killed me.
Do you see that torch right there? Thank you.
Guys,
Oh,
get
where?
get that torch over
Yeah.
there. Get it over there.
Toad's just gonna stay.
Oh, that's not.
Hey, don't steal my mushroom.
Yeah, let's just have Margo be the only one.
Okay.
Stop throwing me!
Trying. Dude, stop. I'm trying to shoot fireballs at them. But then you're...
Hey, look, that firefly. Fire on a plant that's on top of the forest.
And we lost that. Got it!
Oh boy.
I got it.
Die.
Hey, you stole my mushroom.
Ow.
No, not you. Oh great, now we wasted.
I guess we're not
I
getting
ain't
that.
Guys, let's go.
Whoa, fire
Okay, go
flowers.
back, go back, go back.
Toad is the pinnacle of comedy.
Stop, let's go back. Go back to hit the torches.
I'm gonna bubble up because I don't want to deal with
Yes,
all
like
this
this.
Go,
trash.
go, go back.
Toad!
Be careful and go back.
Yeah, but now we're
Toad
out
is
of
awful
time.
at the video game, though. He's gonna end up falling into the poison.
Oh wow.
Okay. I'm just right here.
Guys, let's all just die, okay?
Yes, I like that.
That's okay.
Die, Luigi.
Actually, I think
Yay.
Get in the poison.
that's the most aggressive getting the poison I've ever heard.
Get in the poison!
Getting the poison rock.
Yeah, now we have to start over.
Okay, should we actually try?
Yeah,
I'm
we-
gonna try that.
Nah, I don't want to try it.
Yeah, it's the kind of level where we actually need to all work together and not kill.
Let's just bubble up. What if I mash B?
Can everyone just bubble up?
Yeah, that's
Great idea.
Yeah,
this
yeah, because-
this is entertainment.
because it'll just make the job much harder if there are like only 50.
Like, yes, there's a hidden
die.
block. I want the hidden block. Congratulations.
Okay,
Ancient being of power who suffered fire.
okay, now bubble up.
He has died.
Bubble up.
Let me kill.
No!
Congratulations.
Dang it.
There's still a fire flower in now, though. I'll take the mushroom.
Okay. Hey,
Sorry.
stop it!
Okay,
Bubble up, bubble up.
I'm trying to save you. Why would you pop me? Okay.
Now
Everyone
Toad's
just
just upset.
Guys,
sacrifice.
guys, bubble up.
Okay, bubble up. Okay,
Genius.
we finally got it. Let's go.
Toad stole it. Greedy little self.
It's a little too late to bubble
Okay,
up.
everyone bubble up.
Hold up. Let's
Nah,
all get
you
fire
only need
flowers.
fire
No, like
Yeah,
only
yeah,
Mario.
Yeah,
No,
and everyone bubble up.
The useless Toad will
Yeah,
take
what?
the mushroom.
You're not useless, Toad, okay?
I can
Well,
show you
yeah,
how useless I
Yeah,
can be.
you have a purpose. I mean, you're the fastest.
Oh jeez.
Sorry about that.
Ah.
Sorry about that. It's just that it's hard to jump.
There, now I'm not in the way.
Okay.
Okay.
No, you can keep doing that to yourself. It's gonna help.
Well, how can you not kill them with a fire flower?
Because
They're already not. There's no play. They already got me.
Guys, bubble up.
I'm running.
Oh my god.
I'm just chilling, okay?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, me. Toad is vibing. He will continue to vibe.
Darn it.
Okay, do it.
Let's like,
Okay.
hey guys, before we get a fire flower, let's kill all these piranha plants first. Yeah, but they're the same.
They're dumb excuses for animals.
Go to kill.
Toad will attempt it once again.
Wait, go back and get one.
Yeah, I know. Let me just
Toad
kill.
will attempt to
Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go.
Okay, this
Bubble
one.
up, bubble up. Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Goodness darn this camera.
Got this Mario. Got this Mario.
Toad is now upset. Toad is also going to speak in the third person. Toad Toad has been uncoded.
Whoa there, what happened? When you uncode a Toad, that's Toad.
He becomes...
Ah!
Don't.
Darn it!
No, you just go triple kill. No, wait. No, it's just double
Toad
kill.
is here for backup.
That was
Get
a
over
good
here.
Double kill.
Get over here.
For Narnia. I for Narnia.
I forgot about the thing. Hate to be independent.
Okay, I'll for Narnia myself. Goodbye.
There's a torch back there though.
I for Narnia. Okay.
There was a torch?
Yes.
Back torches.
I will tell you
Where?
there's a torch, so there's
Back
a
there. Here, I'll show you the demo. Right
It's
over
here,
here. There's a fire over there.
Okay.
Did
Scars time consuming and
Darn it.
therefore I don't like it. Burn it.
we didn't
What?
even get the checkpoint.
Oh god.
I don't think there is any checkpoint.
Why is there no checkpoint?
Okay,
Okay, we got it.
someone grab it.
Okay.
Someone grab the star.
I like how I instantly die. Wait, behind. Best side.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's alright.
No, let's
Toad
just finish.
desperately
Let's
needs
finish.
check-
Let's just
No,
finish.
no, guys.
Oh.
Oh wait,
I'm sorry.
it's just
That's the
Guy,
that's the hitbox. Damage boost. Damage. Speed run.
come on.
oh wow.
Wait, hold up.
Toad will sacrifice himself
Big
for
gold
the star.
No, we need. Okay.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Yes. Up.
We're gonna get the golden flag off screen because I don't want to go through this trash again.
Or we can speedrun.
Let's just.
That's an awful level to speedrun in.
Yeah.
Or I'm just gonna.
Third.
Toad's second for some reason.
I only points I only got were the points at the very end flag. End flag is all the points we'll deserve.
Toad is here by experience and depression. Yeah.
Faster forward fire boat. FFFB.
Oh no.
FFFB.
Wow, it's fast. 10 seconds.
30
Oh, no.
seconds.
Yeah, let's go.
Speed.
Yeah, but luckily there are time clocks here.
I don't care.
Imagine it-
We're running in, boys.
Oh, that was the wrong way to go.
Jump.
Let's
Let's go.
Toad fears the lack of time.
Like, you're not. There you go, Mario.
Thank you, you're such a great brother.
Okay, I'm running. Bubbles. No.
Why did Nintendo think that we can do this in 30 seconds?
Yes, they have.
Hey guys, wait on a second.
There's something up here?
Yeah, there's something up here.
Go, Ranger.
Da-na-na-na-na, go, Ranger. He's useless.
He's not
Yeah.
useless.
You're not
His
useless.
jump is completely ridiculous.
You're not useless.
Hey, I won. Go.
Hey guys,
Go.
look at this.
No, Power Ranger.
Not anymore.
Got in there. Okay, guys.
Good for you.
Make a mad dash towards the end. We only have
14 actually, 13 actually.
Oh, jeez.
Nintendo isn't evil. Never mind, they're making us feel
This
fire, bro. They're awful. Hate fire. They're uses, enemies, and also Toad. Oh, never mind.
Oh, this is second.
I don't know why they call it mushroom toad. That just seems kind of dumb to me.
Because Toad's hurt.
No. Yes. I got it.
Good for you.
6 seconds. No rematching. No redoing that. We're done.
We did it all, so we can never come back.
Yeah,
Well, except for when we need Rosalie.
I'm the only one
Oh,
that
no.
is big.
That's
The only-
gonna be. We have to completely replay the game.
Yay, good job, Peach.
And then also one stage.
Wait, what?
One stage we need Rosalie.
Can you imagine if Daisy's the playable character or Yoshi?
Yoshi might be a.
Yoshi will be fun. Yoshi
will be amazing.
jumps fast, slow though.
Iato.
Or jump top. No, double
Yeah.
jump. Yoshi has double jump, but he's slow.
Yes.
Although there is no Yoshi.
Well, actually, flutter jump.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a.
Well,
It's kind of like
Savannah.
Peach's hover, but
Hey, guys,
really
look.
bad.
Kill it now. Kill it now.
Get over here! Get over here,
It's
you!
so fast.
Let me.
Use,
Oh my-
use for an animal. Get over here before Toad gets really mad.
Before Toad.
Before Toad mode happens.
What are we even
Guys,
supposed
stop.
to be doing?
I'm trying to flank if I can. I couldn't flank it because guys.
Where did it go?
Everyone just run, okay? Everyone just run.
Where did it go?
It's down here.
Oh, it's over here. Get over here, you!
Let's try and
Guys,
flank it. One person get away.
Wait, just shoot it with a fire flower. You can do that, can't you? Oh, never mind. It says
Guys, one person stay there, okay? Stay there. No, get back, Marty.
No.
No, get
Guys!
back.
Guys,
You are
you're
gonna catch it
lagging!
in
Toad is coding.
You are gonna catch it in Mad Dad. That's the one in front of me. Over here. Let's spread out. Let's spread out. Much as we can.
Where'd it go?
It's over here. Okay. Okay, wait, no. Guys, let me get it. We won't get it for straight case. It's too fast. Gotta have.
We need strategy.
Okay, stay there.
Oh, I made it dizzy.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Oh, wow.
Somebody just jump up here.
That was too easy.
That was an star. So, okay. I guess we got to do the stars.
How dare. Oh, yeah, we don't really need to go there. That just leads us to the second star, like, look.
We can't even go back.
Yeah, because Toad went in there. Yes, you went in there.
Toad unintentionally.
Wait, guys, right here. What if you rolled?
Toad was actually one.
Yeah.
Toad never gets rewarded for this act.
I like touch your arm today.
Toad was the dominant.
Where did you get the cats, dude?
It was for the
Is there anything
red
in here?
point.
I
Yeah.
kind of want to go in.
Wait,
Not that high.
Yeah, but
There's another kind.
I can fly.
oh, Toad.
Toad, that's for
Toad.
you. That's
Hey,
for you.
You finally have a purpose.
Nope, Toad's gonna die.
Toe button, toe button,
Toad, get over there.
toe button. Toad.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Toad's upset.
Oh, let Toad get it.
Oh.
Let Toad get it.
Let's
Oh.
Toad get it.
Toad
You ungrateful
deserves the
swine.
star.
Yay!
Yay!
Toad ain't worthless.
What the heck?
I'm bubbling up. I'm bubbling up this.
Oh god.
It's okay, guys.
Hopefully it doesn't catch up.
It's at the same time.
So that
Yay.
was supposed to be a level, or was that just some way to...
It was just free range. Just free ranging code.
It's Odyssey time.
Okay. Odyssey. Okay, this is gonna. This is gonna.
Last world.
Okay, this is gonna be the last
Toad for
level.
Odyssey, Toad for
This
Odyssey.
is gonna be the last level.
Oh.
Hey, wait, hold on a second. Hey guys, look.
Oh, that's black and white. Oh, that's black and white. Yeah. Oh.
Yay.
Let me,
You know you could get more out of here.
Yes.
my
Take
cat
more.
suit.
Guys, get
How
over
dare
here.
you, Ethan? I'm getting more.
Toad's taking his mushroom.
There's
brother.
fire flowers in there. I want a cat suit. There's your cat suit.
Oh wow.
Die.
Oh, we've been duped.
Not-
We've been bamboozled.
How
I-
dare you, Ethan?
What?
How dare you stop stealing my cat suit?
How did we
I'm
get
not
a
stealing
crown?
your cat suit.
You ran into my cat suit.
Okay.
I'm not the cat, Evan. I'm right
Yes,
here.
you are. You're
No,
right.
That's Toad.
Hey guys,
Me!
get over here.
I stole it by mistake.
Guys, bubble up.
I just want my cat
Bubble
suit.
up.
I have not been able to get a cat suit.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Toad will burn the ghosts.
You can't burn the
I'm
ghost.
sad now. They do.
Friend just died. Guys, look, it's right here. Ah! Psych! I am.
Run!
Go to sad.
I'm stuck.
Here.
Help,
Here he is.
help, help.
Where
No.
were you? Oh, wait, hold on a
Toad
second.
hates ghosts. Look at this.
No, no, no.
Hey
no.
guys, I know that we have to get a star beyond here.
My Toad wants the
look.
1-up.
Guys, there's a star.
I got the 1-up.
There's a star around here somewhere. We just have to keep on going. Okay,
I got it. Let's go.
Oh, I think I got it.
No,
You better
that's
fear me. I am Toad. I am better than you.
I already do fear.
Fear me, mortal. Fear me. Fear me.
Ow.
You're a ghost. Your little ectoplasm butts don't mean anything to me.
Ah.
Oh, that's me.
What the heck?
Ha! Got him.
What is going on anymore?
Oh wow, at first I thought that.
Oh, I thought it was a secret, but I guess it's nothing.
It just sucks.
I didn't find anything. That was just
I rolled.
go back.
It's okay, Toad.
Oh, you did? Where did you?
I just sent us back in
Why does
time.
Mario look
to
like
do
me?
nothing. Does Mario look like a maid?
Mario. is
Look like a
made.
mate.
Maid.
Made.
Maid.
Good old fashioned.
Cleaning people.
Okay, so... Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. See you later, where we need to learn how to live even more than we think, and that's it. See you next time.